And you may be noticing a lot of red on set today. Sometimes it's a dress, sometimes it's a pin. Alex and I are sporting the pins. And it's all because today is National Wear Red Day to support women's heart health. It's all part of the American Heart Month in February. NBC5's Jenn Schanz introduces us to two very different heart patients who are both alive today because of CPR.
I started gasping for air, and in that moment, I was dead. My heart had stopped.
When Heather Baker suffered a sudden cardiac arrest at work in 2018, she had no history of heart issues. Unlike Amit Sethi.
Man, I escaped death.
He knew he had blockages, but felt prepared to run Evanston's turkey trot with his family this year. He was in town from New York.
It was really cold, and I wasn't aware of kind of how dangerous that is for when you've got heart disease.
2 miles into the race, Amit had a heart attack and collapsed. Dr. Jonathan Rosenberg with Endeavor Health treated him at the hospital. Thankfully, bystanders at the race kept Emmett alive until then.
He had ongoing CPR even until he got to the Evanston hospital, and his heart didn't come back to a normal rhythm until a few minutes after he arrived.
Heather's experience, which she later learned was caused by a medication she'd been taking, prompted her to start teaching CPR. She's trained more than 5,000 people through the American Heart Association.
Heart disease is the #1 killer of women in the United States. And people often underestimate their risk.
Which, in addition to family history, can include diet and exercise, cholesterol levels, if you have diabetes or if you're a smoker. And for women, hormonal changes like pregnancy and menopause can also increase your risk. And well, disease can affect everyone. Today in Glenview, around 80 medical professionals from Endeavor held a heart health symposium geared especially toward treating women. Heather, an elementary school principal, has also lobbied to increase preparedness in schools to address cardiac emergencies.
As community members, we have a moral obligation to be ready to show up for one another and save each other's life when that time comes.
Jenn Schanz, NBC5 News.
Really good information. Good reminders, too. So when you see red, now you know why.
Yeah, you see the benefits of all that work paying off.
No doubt.